Welcome to our meditation video for finding inner peace. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. Focus on your breath, letting it guide you into relaxation. Feel the tension leaving your body with each exhale. Allow your mind to become still and peaceful. Notice any thoughts that come up, but let them pass without judgment. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel gratitude for this moment of peace. Imagine a warm, soothing light surrounding you. Let this light bring you comfort and calmness. Visualize yourself in a serene, natural setting. Picture yourself free of worries and stresses. Feel the tranquility of this space enveloping you. Let go of any negativity or doubts. Embrace the present moment with acceptance. Feel a sense of inner harmony and balance. Connect with your inner self and your true essence. Allow yourself to be at peace with who you are. Bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the rhythm of your breath connecting you to the universe. Enjoy this moment of stillness and serenity. Appreciate the gift of this time for self-care. Feel a sense of renewal and rejuvenation. Know that you can always return to this place of peace. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Bring this sense of peace with you as you go about your day. Remember to take moments to meditate and find inner peace. Thank you for joining us in this meditation practice. May you carry this sense of peace with you always. Until next time, take care and be well.